then just like kind of throw it like that. You gotta throw it more like this, like give me a lot. I'm gonna get scared. Okay, just like yeah.
Okay, I wanna do it.
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the camera.
Okay. Do you have a machine? It's recording?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty big.
Ready?
Get the whole shot.
Well, it can't really see your face because it's so...
No, get further out there.
Okay.
Oh, that was lame.
Okay, do it again.
Hold on.
That was cool.
That was nice.
That's cool.
Yours was better. Yours is huge.
It's okay, we can get tomorrow. That was cool.
I like when it jumps up there.
Yeah, that was cool. Ow!
Really big.
I just had the magic touch. Because I read Harry Potter books and you don't. Okay, everyone stand back.
Go get Rachel.
This is nutritional yeast at work.
Rachel's gonna come so long.